Hey DIY clubbers! So today for my Cakin and Bakin video, we are making homemade buttermilk biscuits. But I wanted to just kind of talk to you guys about some revelations that I've been having, because with this recipe, I actually have some guest bakers in the kitchen today. We were setting out to make these homemade buttermilk biscuits. So a couple of things did kind of go wrong in the making of the biscuits. One, we did not have any buttermilk. And two, the dough came out a lot wetter than it has before when we have previously made these biscuits. And it just kind of turned out that way in terms of it being a filming day for me to try to upload this for the channel. And I just wanted to bring a little insight in on the experience that we had in the kitchen. Basically, you may have the absolute best intentions for something when you set out on a task or a project, and things can definitely go awry. But it's the process of getting things done. It's the process of making sure that you see that task out to the end, because at the very, very end, you very well may come out with something that is so beautiful and so delicious and so satisfying that it just makes the whole experience completely worth it. And I say all this to say, if you have a goal in mind, please don't be deterred by the process. At the end of the day, the process is a part of the journey, and this will make a really good story to tell one day. So please keep going, keep striving, don't give up. I know things can definitely be hard. I have my own struggles that I am trying my best to work through. So please keep going, because the end result is so beautiful. The end result is so delicious, just like these biscuits. Even though the process to making them went a little awry, the end result was so worth waiting for. So keep going.